So hey friends, it's me Tekid. Welcome back in the video. This video is gonna be on the GCAM installation for the OPPO RENO 4 Pro. So the GCAM link will be in the description below, and this is not gonna be the camera review, in-depth camera review, but this is gonna only be on the GCAM installation for the OPPO RENO 4 Pro, and I'll show some examples and let's test which camera is better, the stock one or the GCAM. So let's get started. So for this you'll need to download this app. The link will be in the description below, and then just open it, allow all the permission it asks for, and head into the settings and just learn more and enable mod, and you all will find another option, mod config creator. So head into that and GCAM config, select the Sony IMX586, and then here Google, and here to Sony IMX586. So that is it, and now go in the camera and turn off the SDR plus and make sure that it's on SDR plus, not on enhanced, and Google auto white balance on and the image quality on high, and turn off the motion picture. Now this applies same to the portrait mode settings, and turn off the SDR plus enhanced and the auto white balance on and the image quality on high. Now as you all have done with the settings, now let's test how it performs. So let's go. So now I've come out with the Reno 4, and now let's click some pictures and test out how it performs.
I live inside my own world.
So I finished recording some videos and shot some images, and now let's check how they perform. So in the first pic, this was shot on GCAM, the right one was shot on GCAM, and so as you all can see, on the right hand side I have the image shot on GCAM, and the shadows are well exposed and the sky is also well exposed and the sharpness levels on point. So on the left hand side I have the image shot on the stock camera, which is pretty oversaturated and over sharpened and doesn't look pretty good in comparison with the GCAM. After zooming into the image, the GCAM pretty well retains the details, and the sky is also pretty well exposed. And on the stock camera overexposed and oversaturates the image, which makes it look bad. So in this scenario, the GCAM is the clear winner. So now let's turn to the macro shots. So on the right hand side, the GCAM performs pretty well in the macro shots, as it has pretty good details and the greens are on point. And on the left hand side, that is on the stock camera, the image is oversaturated and the details are lost. So the GCAM is the clear winner in the macro shots. So friends, as of now the night slide isn't available in the GCAM on the Reno 4 Pro, and so I shot this on the left one is shot on the stock cam and the right one on the GCAM. So the stock camera is the clear winner in this. So the night mode outperforms the GCAM in this situation. So big thumbs up for the optimization by the ColorOS. Now let's come to the front camera. So this image is on the right. So the image shot on GCAM is pretty overall well exposed, and the skin color is on point, and on the stock camera the image is a bit soft, but it also looks good. Some will like the sharp image on the GCAM and some will like the stock one. So I personally prefer the image on the GCAM, so that is really well exposed and overall a good picture. So the Gcam is a clear winner for me. So now let's come to the indoor lighting situation. So in this picture, the Gcam performs pretty well. The details are visible on the wall and the table is also pretty well exposed. And on the other hand, the stock camera is a bit washed out image compared to the Gcam, and the Gcam produces a pretty overall good looking image. So here in the indoor lighting situation, the Gcam has a plus point and has a better quality image. So that is it. So in the indoor lighting situation, the stock camera performs pretty well. The details are not that great, but the overall image looks good. On the Gcam, the image is a bit underexposed as, but I feel overall the stock camera image looks good as many of them will like the stock camera, and I personally like the stock camera in this scenario, and the Gcam is producing a underexposed image. So in this scenario, the stock camera performs well. So guys, that is it for the video. I hope you all like the video. So the conclusion part. So the Gcam performs well in indoor lighting situation and in portrait images. As of now, the Gcam is not fully fledgedly ported to the Reno 4 Pro as it is a newly launched device. So I will prefer using the stock camera. So it also has some many features like AI portrait mode and video bokeh mode, which are not available at in Gcam. So that's the plus point for the colorless optimization, and for the Gcam it's pretty good for the portrait and indoor lighting situation. So that is it for the video. I hope you all like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Till then.